Hello, my name is Jennifer Dieter, and I will be spending the next 5 minutes walking you through 6 guidelines that will help ensure your web conference is successful. Web conferencing utilizes technology over the internet to connect audiences in remote locations. Web conferencing allows for real-time communication to audiences of various sizes and is a wonderful application to use for holding meetings, training events, lectures, or short presentations. 6 key guidelines to help ensure your web conference is successful include: test your network connection early and often. Limit a web conference to no longer than 60 minutes. Limit your audience size. Ensure you do not have background noise. Periodically check with the attendees on the other side of the web conference. And lastly, plan on how you are going to close the web conference. Let's discuss each guideline and why they are key. Guideline number 1. Test the network connection early and often. It is critical to ensure that you have a strong network connection before the web conference begins. To do this, you must test your connection and the connection on the receiving end. Completing this test before the web conference will help avoid delays in starting your conference and ensure your audience is able to view and participate in the web conference. It is best to have a list of phone numbers on hand in case you need to troubleshoot connection issues. Guideline number 2. Limit a web conference to no more than 60 minutes long. Web conferences longer than an hour strain your audience and you run the risk of losing their interest and attention. Long web conferences require longer network connection, which result in a higher risk of connection problems. Guideline number 3. Limit your audience size. The smaller your audience, the more likely they are to receive the information you are communicating through the web conference. A smaller audience allows for a smoother experience and helps the facilitator of the web conference control the length of the conference. Guideline number 4. Ensure you do not have background noise. Background noise will distract your audience from the topic being covered in your web conference. So be sure to turn off any unnecessary equipment such as cell phones and televisions. Guideline number 5. Periodically check with the attendees on the other side of the web conference. As you work your way through the web conference, periodically ask your audience if they have any questions. Can you still hear me? And can you see the screen? This will help ensure that they are engaged and following along. Guideline number 6. Plan on how you are going to close the web conference. For most attendees, the last portion of your web conference is the most memorable. So close with a strong review of your key objectives and important points. As a summary, to have a successful web conference, follow these 6 key guidelines. Test the network connection early and often. Limit a web conference to no more than 60 minutes. Limit your audience size. Ensure you do not have background noise. And periodically check with the attendees on the other side of the web conference. And plan on how you are going to close the web conference. This concludes my video on guidelines for using web conferencing. Thank you.